What's going on, fellas, and welcome back to the day trading series. Thursday, March 10th, CPI came out. We actually have some high flyers. But before we get into this video, just want to say, this fantastic platform is at a new policy, so it could use ads on my video, even though I'm not getting a buck for it, which is fine. But I mean, basically what I'm trying to say is, like, this helps no one. It's just helping the big man. So, I really appreciate it if you guys would hit that sub button for me, and then, I don't know, at least we can get a win out of the situation. Alright, let's go. Also, closing in on 300 subs, so that'd be awesome. But enough of that, we got Baba to watch. Let's get it. It's already below that. Alright, and we are open. What? Apparently we're not allowed to trade Baba. So is Baba seriously, like, not allowed to be played? Dude, what is this? We can't play Baba right now. What is that garbage? Jesus, bro. People are going to be making bucks on this. Oh, now it's updated. Alright, can we get a little pullback to the 9, please? Jesus, man. It's been like 5 minutes. Dude, this is nuts. Alright, I'm getting into 1 just because, I mean, it made a new low after that. I would love for this thing to just fake out and turn red. That'd be great. Let's see if we can just get this reversal. If we make a new low, I'll get into another one. Big candle for Bob's here. See what we get. I want to see where this candle ends up. And especially, more than that, I want to see where the 9 ends up. Okay. I'm going to wait for this to hit the 9, then I'll get into another one. Unless it just doesn't, which is fine, I guess. The IV's pretty heavy, though, because, I mean, it ramped by the time I got into these. Because look at the range here, and I bought them down here. I mean, that's pretty crazy. But we look great, I'll tell you. If the 9 hugs it a little more, and we get a candle under candle, I'll take another one. This is a new 5-minute as well, so we might have a little trouble. Take it for the candle under candle break. Retest to the 9, looking to make another leg down. If it doesn't, I cry, and this market is trash. Dude, this is so goddamn annoying, bro. So goddamn annoying. Look at the market, bro. Just go down. Bro, this is absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculous. Just do me a favor. I want to see how it reacts at VWAP, because that's kind of like the important indicator right now. But alright, let's see if it drops a little more. This is so dumb, dude. Alright, can we get a nice move, please? Here we go. I guess JD is an important one to watch, too. Alright, Bobs. Looks actually pretty good now. But see how the IV is starting to taper off a little bit? We cannot see that. Let's get another move down. Still looking at JD. Alright, here we go. Let's get a nice move here. Let's get a nice trade. I mean, we cannot seem to get one. Go the down, make a new low. This is a 3-bar play on the 5-minute. I just got out on 2. I meant to take out 1. Nice. The one time it actually works, I scale out 1 too many by accident. Sick. I hope it fakes out. I really hope it just... Yeah, how about that? How about that, dude? Did I feel for some of these people who don't have, like, the discipline? You know what I mean? Look at that. Break of low a day. And it just immediately back up, dude. That is crazy. If X gets back above green on the day, I kind of like it. Maybe I'll wait for a little bit more of a better setup. Taking 1X. Just 1. Play behind that, it got back over the 5-minute 9. Now it's green on the day. And I only took 1, so I'm willing to take a play on it. And then also, obviously, the retest of this white line. But as of right now, it still broke over a high of yesterday and came back down, so... But X usually likes to do this, so let's see what we can get. Very nice. Alright, next step, get above VWAP. Alright, here we go, X. I like that. Oh yeah, down right off the fib level. Nice. Don't know if that matters, though, but let's see. I mean, how good does that look, though? Alright, here we go. X still making moves. Looks great. Very nice move. Fantastic move. Look at X. Yeah, I can always count on this thing, you know? I really can. Man, I love this thing, dude. I love it. But how about that on the 5-minute? Perfect. Look at that new high. Watch it just pull. But, you know, I don't think it will. I was going to say it's going to pull like a breakout and fake out like every other stock in the market. This thing's different. This thing's built different. Alright, so the Bollingers are kind of up at it. But wow, what a move. Fantastic. Let's keep an eye on this level. Looking like a perfect breakout and hold, though. But we've seen X kind of, do a little diddle at the top of it and then just, fade back down. So let's see if we can get the move. But I gotta say, though, Dow looks strong. And there it is. There's a pop. Wouldn't mind seeing a little retest. That's no problem. If it breaks down below that and closes below it, I'm just going to get out. I don't like that. It's still above the 9, though. I'm torn. Because I only have 1. I guess it's a blessing and a curse. I'm just going to take it off. Oh. Alright, I thought it said 3 by accident, but, just waiting for Q's to break this little top right here. Hopefully it doesn't fake out, but the SPY did it, so that's kind of why I'm thinking the Q's can. Very important level here. Let's see if we can break through it. CPI data was right in line. No reason to go down. Looking strong here as well. Alright, let's get that breakout. Alright, everything just froze for a second. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good. Look at that. Caught that just in time, baby. Look at the markets now, huh? Look at the markets now. Alright, I don't want to see this fake out, though. Can we please? Look at the SPY, man. You gotta be strong, Q's. You gotta be strong. Alright, you can pull back to it, but that's as far as I want you to go. Look at the SPY. Come on, Q's. I mean, at least hit the 200 or something. There it is. It was taking a bit too long, but there it is. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get some incentive out there. High day, 331, whatever. Look at that move, man. Jeez, it already did it? What the hell? What the hell? Alright, let's go. Let's break it. Jeez, what a time to get in this thing. Boom, out there. Love it. Wow, though. What a day. Your boy's done. And look at that. Perfect sell, because I knew there's going to be some funny business today. Let's go. Top tick, question mark. Let's get it. All right, fellas. Check the monitor. Boom. $76. That feels good. All right, so let's go over the Baba trade first. I mean, this thing. I mean, just absolute destruction. I got to admit, I got a little bit pissed off, so I got in prematurely. But the one thing that kept me going was that it bounced, came all the way back down, then started to make new lows. And I said, you know what? I'm going to take a stab. I would have one more to add if I wanted to, if it still adheres to my rules, so I did that. Here's what we did. So I took that first entry down there, basically bottom taking it. I thought we were going to get that move through 90, but we didn't end up getting it. And also, I mean, JD was looking very weak as well. So, but yeah, ended up holding it. I said a stop with a close above the 9. Perfectly adhered to my rules. But I mean, we had such a big range here. I thought we were going to go sort of faster. But waited for the flag to break, adhered to my rules, and I accidentally got out 2 when I wanted to get out 1. But honestly, worked out for the better. I mean, I maybe lost like 10, 15 bucks. It was a winning trade, though, nonetheless. All winners today. So won 30 bucks on that. That was great. And then my beloved X. Sounds always weird to say that, but here's what I was looking for. The pullback of this 30.55 level, which is the all-time high back in August, like I said. Perfect breakout and retest and hold of that level. I mean, you look for this every time, so I thought it was great. So, I mean, I saw this green wick here, and we got back above this green line. Vincent, you're the man. And then took it as it kind of showed green and then held the 5-minute 9. I really like that. So, also in confluence with holding the 1-minute 9 and all that. So, that was great. Rode it for the high of day break, and I sold once we couldn't hold original high of day. So, looking like a top tick on here, too, which is great. Then final trade, Q's. What a sell, dude. No way. I mean, this is just purely out of instinct that, like, we're going to break the range and then immediately come back down, because that's the way the story's going at the moment. But, yeah, I mean, what a trade. Took it on this candle here, looking for it to break this range, because before we saw that, I saw SPY go absolutely nuts to the upside. And Qs were lagging a little bit, so I said, you know what, Qs should have similar strength to the SPY, and yes, it did. And then I sold it as we broke this high, and it didn't seem like we had the gumption to go up higher. Sold it looking like an absolute top tick. I'm kind of interested. I want to see where those ended up. So I traded 335s. Let's bring these over to the chart and see how high they went. I sold them at 168, and the high of this candle, 174. Okay, but pretty damn close to a top tick. That's awesome. Alright, fellas, that's going to be it for me today. Again, really hope you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And like I said in the beginning, help your boy with that sub. We're almost at 300, and also no one likes to get ads when it's not helping anybody. I mean, that just makes no sense, right? So, again, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Honestly, I thought that I would be losing subs after my video I posted about the new updates to the channel. But, I mean, you guys are still running it up, so I appreciate you guys, for real. With that being said, sub, drop a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think about the trades. And I'll catch you, hopefully, tomorrow. Maybe we can catch something nice. But regardless, in the next video, take it easy.